Hi, I want to take this opportunity to greet one of the best kababayan, one of the legend of my hometown, Dimasalang, Masbate, Mr. Vladi Adige. Manoy, saludo po ako sa imo pagpapahalaga sa imong mga kababayan ng mga taga Dimasalang. Dili mo kami nalilimutan pag kami sa among mga birthday, ikaw pa may nauna paghatag sin na pagpapahalaga sa social media. Now it's our turn. It's your birthday. So masasabi ko lang, enjoy your day. Ataman ng lawas, kag keep up the good work. Take care of yourself and the family. Okay, God bless you and happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you.